Made from all natural herbs like cinnamon and garlic, and it promotes safe sugar levels. For over 23 years, Dr. Lewis has been promoting natural solutions for health problems like the Ultimate Diabetes Formula. Visit Herbal Pharmacy at 4215 Granby Street in Norfolk or call 622-5828. Herbal Pharmacy.
We're back and we are here with Dr. Lewis. Dr. Lewis, let's talk a little bit about water. Water, your body's made up with how much percent water? 93%, is it?
80, 90% water.
Yeah.
You get 10% back in dust, so what's the difference? You need water.
So, what's the role that water plays with all these diseases? Cancer, diabetes, hypertension, cholesterol.
As a human being, you can say we're plant-based. Well, not plant-based. I don't want to use that term because we're not growing up with roots. We just drop off. Every living organism needs water. Every living organism needs water, from the smallest cellular level up to the largest organism. Period. And without it, you die. Oxygen and water, you need it. H2O and O2, you need them both. You cannot survive without it. Matter of fact, cancer can't live where oxygen is. You need oxygen in the body. You notice if you ever swim underwater, you can go down there for so long, after a while you're coming back up for some air. Thank God for oxygen. He's been good to us so far. He hasn't snatched the oxygen away. But
thank God.
When you're going into the waters, there's different types of waters. Water, bottled water, it's in plastic. When you're drinking the plastic gives off some types of bacteria, especially if it's heated, and then it drops to cold again, and you reheat it again. It expands. The plastic gives off some chemical. Then that part bothers you. You're microwaving your water. Whatever the minerals was in the water, it's no longer there because you nuked it. You just put it in a microwave and you killed it.
So what are we supposed to get, a filter?
A filter? That's the best thing you could do today, a filter or ozonated water. They do have waters out there now that you can buy that's pretty safe. I don't mention no names of what types of waters. We use a formula from the Water Oz, which is basically oxy drops, and these particular oxy drops has what you call electrolytes in it, and these electrolytes actually recharge and reboots the immune system. It's very powerful. You put about 8 drops in your water and it's great. And then we have another one which is called a Celox. Now, Celox you can put into your water. These are basically biochemicals or trace minerals, and they fortify and strengthen the waters to make it more powerful than what it is.
Wow, you are a wealth of information, Dr. Lewis.
Well, you
are a blessing.
There's so much to talk about that I stumble over things because my mind is here and there.
Yeah, so much.
You know, it's a big thing.
It's intense. Yes,
it's definitely intense.
So you're moving to you're gonna open up another location. You're still here in Norfolk, and you're going to open up a location.
Yeah, at what's my address?
Portsmouth.
It's in Portsmouth, high in Dinwiddie. So it's 441 Dinwiddie Street. I think that's what it is. That's right downtown Portsmouth, next to the Dinwiddie Hotel. There, it's not my first time there. It's my second time in that location.
Right.
I was there in 97, 96, 90, actually 97, 98, and then we've had several locations. But at the same time, even at the place where we're at right now, I left here and went across the street, and I'm back here again. There's something that's in the wind here. But I like my locations, and they're here. We, as you notice, that I'm a compounding herbalist. I make formulas according to your imbalance, and we use the natural herbs to help promote healing, and we use the biogenetics, which is trace minerals, and we use mineral waters, which are 99.9% water soluble, as well as we use other forms of natural products. And we don't throw off or eliminate the use of medicines that the doctors have come up with. Our scientists are great. with the keeping people alive today. God forbid if I ever get hit with a Big Mac truck, don't call an herb doctor. You get me a doctor in here to take care of me. Yeah, take me to a hospital. But the whole idea is we need to work together. Exactly. This is a hands-on thing. It's not one over the other. Our biggest thing now is we're trying to get the insurance companies to see that by doing preventative maintenance on the body, that these insurance companies will actually save a lot of money.
Preventative maintenance, exercise,
maintenance, to teach people how to move their bowels on a regular basis. Drink plenty of water. Eat the nutrition that's there. Watch out for the junk foods that are there. They're opening up drugstores across the street from drugstores right now for a reason. Okay? They know you already are going to get sick. They know that. They're preparing for it.
Oh, yeah.
They have schools for pharmaceutical students. They have to have a place to put them. In pharmacies that's coming up. So you either love yourself to life or love yourself to death.
That's
and
right.
if you love yourself to death, then those pharmacies are out there for you. They have a drug for you. But we always say at the herbal pharmacy, you do have a choice.
That's right.
And I always say natural herbs. In Genesis 1:29, God says, "For I give you every herb in the garden, for the leaves shall be your medicine, and the fruit shall be your meat." We're not carnivores, but we love our meat. So we're eating dead meat. They call it 4D meat, dead, dying, diseased, and disabled.
Wow.
And that's what you get. But the whole idea is, if your immune system is strong and you're moving your bowels on a regular basis, by all means, enjoy yourself. That's one of the best things in life, eating, amongst other things.
Wow. I want to thank you for coming to Wake Up America today and sitting down and talk to us and just helping us with these issues with cancer, diabetes, hypertension, cholesterol. You know, this was very informative, and I've learned a lot.
Well, we have over 82 formulas. We cover everything from AIDS to zits, hepatitis, diarrhea, fibromyalgia, sarcoidosis, weight loss, weight gain, female hormone imbalances, PMS, fibroids, endometriosis. I don't care what it is. There's a God said, "I give you every herb," and I'm standing behind. I'm just a soldier.
That's right.
In the army of Christ.
Amen.
Amen.
Thanks again.
Anytime. Thank you.
We'll see you next week on Wake Up America.
Views and opinions expressed on Wake Up America are not necessarily those of the program host or sponsors.